Today, something unexpected happened in my living room aquarium. My peaceful red and yellow parrot fish locked eyes, and suddenly, it turned into a battle of dominance. In this vibrant underwater world, territory is everything. These cichlids aren't just colorful, they're clever, territorial, and proud. Watch how their body language shifts, fins flaring, tails whipping, eyes locked, each one claiming their space. It's not a fight to hurt, it's a ritual, a dance, nature's way of setting boundaries. Moments like this remind us how alive and expressive our aquatic pets really are. Don't miss this rare display, hit like, follow for more, and dive into the drama below the surface. Thanks for watching. For more amazing moments from nature, pets, and beyond, subscribe to Medley with Dr. Muneer. See you in the next one.